Let's have another example about lower string. If we need to save items to list, for example, empty list for I in range, just for items, item equal get data from user, enter your item, number of item, I run. Yes, but we need to start from 1. So plus 1. Yes, or the same result if we need to start from 1. Start from 1 to 5. It means 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 not included. So actually, we need to remove this. Yes. First item, mobile, laptop, example, headphone, and the last one, smart monitor. Yes. So if we need to save all data comes from the user as lowercase, run again, print items, but we need to save data to the items dot append item. Okay, and items or items. Okay, run. For example, mobile, laptop, smart monitor, and the last one, headphone. Yes, items are list contains all items you get from the user. What about to save all data to lowercase? Simply type lower, which means convert all characters that comes from the user to lowercase. Run mobile, smart phone, headphone, and smart monitor. For example, yes, items saved as a lowercase. So in the next lesson, we will learn more about string method at Python. So if we have any problems, just let me know. Otherwise, keep going. Thank you.